Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. As I record this, here in the eastern United States, we're experiencing the emergence of Brood 10, the 17-year cicadas, also known as the Great Eastern Brood. As you can see, there are many molted husks on the ground, as well as a few wings. I thought we'd have a look at one of those wings. So I have a compound microscope, which is not really appropriate for looking at large samples like this, but I figured that a wing is relatively flat and translucent, so we'd give it a go. And, I don't think this looks too bad. So the periodical cicadas, the cicadas that come out in 13 or 17-year intervals, are of the genus Magicicada. And that comes from the Greek magos, or magos, for magician, and the Latin cicada, which itself was probably a loanword. So as I mentioned, Brood 10, or the Great Eastern Brood, are 17-year cicadas. Many of them get eaten when they come out of the ground, which is why I was able to find this wing not attached to anything, but they come out in droves, so that has no discernible effect on their population. Oh, that looks like a stellate trichome, a plant hair down there. This dark spot looked pretty opaque on a large scale. There's another stellate trichome. Yep, that is definitely a stellate trichome. Really gives you a sense of the scale when you see it on something that's only about as wide as a fingernail. You can see that it's got these rib-like structures in it. When they come out of that husk, the wings are all folded up and they need to inflate and then dry. After that, they're hard and usable as wings. Well, it looks interesting under high magnification, but, I think honestly this is a subject more suitable to lower mag. Well, it's really interesting hearing those cicadas out there going right to town, and I thought it was cool to be able to put a piece of one of them under the microscope, even if I don't really have the right type of microscope for it, because sometimes you use the tool you've got. Alright, well, I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time, keep on peeking.